Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data structures step by step. First, begin by grasping the core concepts of basic structures like arrays and linked lists. Focus on understanding their underlying principles and how they function. Then, practice implementing fundamental operations such as adding or removing elements. Visualizing these processes will significantly enhance your comprehension and build a strong foundation for more complex topics. Next, delve into essential linear data structures like stacks, queues, and hash tables. Understand their unique properties and common use cases. After that, move on to nonlinear structures such as trees and graphs, which are crucial for representing hierarchical and network data. Practice solving various programming challenges, focusing on selecting the most efficient data structure for each problem. Once you have a solid grasp of data structures, integrate them with algorithms. Study common algorithms for sorting and searching, understanding how they interact with different data organizations. Crucially, learn to analyze algorithm efficiency using Big O notation, which helps predict performance. Implement these algorithms yourself to see their practical impact on speed and resource usage, aiming for optimal solutions. Finally, challenge yourself with advanced topics such as dynamic programming, tries, and advanced graph algorithms. Consistent practice is key. Regularly solve coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank to solidify your knowledge and improve problem-solving skills. Remember, the more you practice, the more intuitive these concepts become. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals to support your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.